Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Dalmeny is a small prairie town located northwest of Saskatoon. Known for its quiet streets and close-knit community, Dalmeny offers a slower pace of life while still being within easy reach of one of Saskatchewan's largest cities. Its setting among open farmland gives it a distinctly rural character, shaped by agriculture and the wide horizons of the prairies. Dalmeny has a population of just over 2,000 people, making it a small but steadily growing community. Many residents commute to Saskatoon for work, while choosing Dalmeny for its affordability and relaxed atmosphere. Over the years, the town has seen gradual residential growth, with new homes and families adding to its population while maintaining its small town feel. The history of Dalmeny dates back to the early 1900s, when settlers arrived in the area to farm the surrounding land. The town was named after Dalmeny in Scotland, reflecting the heritage of some of its early residents. Like many communities in Saskatchewan, its development was closely tied to agriculture and the expansion of the railway, which provided an important link to larger markets and neighboring towns. In its early years, Dalmeny served as a local service center for farmers in the surrounding region. Grain elevators, small businesses, and community institutions formed the backbone of the town. Over time, Dalmeny evolved from a purely agricultural settlement into a residential community with stronger ties to Saskatoon. Improvements in roads and transportation made commuting more practical, especially in the later part of the 20th century. This shift allowed the town to grow beyond its original role while still maintaining its rural surroundings. Dalmeny's economy remains influenced by agriculture, with farming operations continuing to play a significant role in the surrounding area. At the same time, the town benefits from its proximity to Saskatoon, with many residents working in a variety of industries in the city. This balance allows Dalmeny to maintain its rural identity while being connected to a larger economic center. The landscape around Dalmeny is typical of central Saskatchewan, with flat to gently rolling farmland stretching in all directions. Fields of grain, open skies, and long country roads define the area, offering a clear sense of space and calm. Seasonal changes from warm summers to cold winters shape both the environment and daily life in the community. Transportation links have played a key role in Dalmeny's development. Roads connecting the town to Saskatoon and nearby communities make travel straightforward, supporting both commuting and local trade. These connections have helped the town remain accessible while preserving its quieter character. Today, Dalmeny reflects a blend of past and present. Its agricultural roots are still visible, but its role as a residential community continues to grow. New development is balanced with a focus on maintaining the town's identity, ensuring that it remains a welcoming place for both longtime residents and newcomers. watching!